Hi, I'm going to show you how to create a Blackboard Collaborate video session. We're starting out here on our cincinnati.edu webpage. We're going to go to My State, log in, select Blackboard courses along the top panel, and you'll notice here in the center it will populate your virtual office. If you do not have this option at this time, just let me know and I will work with IT to confirm that you do have virtual office. It might say next to that, not currently available. However, the platform is fully functional. We're going to go ahead and open up our virtual office. And the dashboard is going to open up here in the center. I'm going to run through how to create your very first session and how to create sessions moving forward. You could have multiple sessions ready to go in the past. However, it will all be located here in your dashboard. So let's go ahead and create our first session. You're going to see here on the right a pop-up in which we will create the session from. We're going to go ahead and title this WDC test. You're going to notice at that time it's going to give you a join session button. However, let's not click that yet because that would be when we're ready to start the meeting itself. It will automatically give you information on how to do a dial-in option. However, at this time, that does not work. Once that is a fully functioning item, I will let the team know. But at this time, this does not work. We're going to go down to our guest link. This is going to be the link that you share with individuals you want to join your session. This link can be shared with individuals outside of our organization, inside our organization, whoever you want to connect with, you can send this link to. It will work very similar to doing a WebEx or a Zoom meeting or a GoToMeeting. It's a very similar concept. Any individual can join. This is just the link that they have to click to go into it. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that so it's on my clipboard. The next section is going to be your event details. This is going to be the start time and end time of your actual meeting. You can schedule further out in advance. You can schedule for today, whatever works for you and whenever you're wanting your meeting to start. It's going to give you an early entry option as well. This will allow guests to join the meeting prior to the moderator joining the meeting. It does default to 15 minutes before start time, but if you do not want anybody to enter the meeting prior to you moderating the meeting and starting the meeting, you can press no early entry. But again, it will default to 15 minutes before. Here in the next area underneath, it's going to say provide a description. Let's go ahead and provide a brief description of what we're doing. So this is going to be to learn Blackboard Collaborate. You're going to notice also in the center of the screen, it will update as you enter in more information into your setting. The next section is going to be your session settings. I do recommend clicking recording option. This will allow you to record your session. This will be very beneficial for training sessions. Just in case you have individuals who are not able to attend meeting at said times, this allows you to record the meeting and share that meeting with the individuals when they had the opportunity to watch the session. We also could use this as a tool for future sessions. If you're doing a shop map and it's very similar material, you could use that multiple times, but you have to select record, the recording option to have that availability when you are in your session. It does give you a few other options through here. I do recommend having the messaging turned on, and the share audio, the share video. These are just defaulted. I would just go ahead and keep that checked off. I'm going to go ahead now and save my session. So your session is now going to be in your dashboard. You have a few options on how to start your session. So I'm going to go ahead and just click the session here. And to join the session, you would just select Join Session here. And that will take you into a new web page in which your video conference will begin, or your video chat, or however you want to call it. You also can access that through additional options here on the side. You can join your session this way. You can copy that guest link You can delete the session, edit the settings. That's all going to be available right here under the session options. Again, this is how to create a new video session under Blackboard Collaborate. The next video I will do will show you how to run the actual session, what that window looks like, how does the video chatting work. That will be a separate video, but this is just how to create your very first session and multiple sessions under Blackboard Collaborate. I hope this video was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.